Do it. Go on.
No.
Go on, have a G&T.
You drink it.
Prove it. Didn't have you down as a flapper.
I'm a flapper.
Welcome back to the channel, and today it is the road to Waxstock. The prep is done. It is time to hit the road. We're currently in the southbound services at Washington on the A1. Time to hit the road. You've got me, we've got Liam, and we've got Mark. The usual faces, usual suspects. Scottish one eating, feeding his face. Nothing unusual there. The wife's going to be doing some camera work as well this weekend. So let's hit the road and see what this weekend brings forward. Alright then, so we are here at the Ricoh now. This is the journey to Mark and Liam's place. We've been here a few hours now. We've had an APC rinse on the car just to get the thick of the dirt off, because it was a nondescript drive down, just in the rain. Nothing too exciting, it just adds more work for us tomorrow morning. We're going to have a couple of beers now just to finish the night off, get ourselves refreshed, ready for a full day in the morning. Going to be quite a challenging day. Full car needs done, obviously driving down in the rain, so the rear arch has been carpeted. They're going to be a fun job. But yeah, hopefully after the full day of prep tomorrow, we will make the top 16 and get it in the arena looking smart and ready to compete. Been a good weekend so far. I know we're only getting the first day, but it's a fun one. Quite a long walk this. Going to keep us fit if nothing. So yeah, beer time with the boys and the wife, and early start tomorrow. So we'll see you on the other side. Day 2. Prep day. 7 o'clock. It's too early for this.
You say you need me, I say you talk too much. Next thing I'm leaving.
Well, at least it's bright and sunny this morning. Hope it stays this way. Here we go. Let's see if there's anybody here, but Liam, he's been up since God knows what time with the wheels off his car.
Cause I've got nothing and you got love. You don't need me, I'm not enough. I can't change it, it's far too gone. No one's left and you're on your own. But if I were you, I wouldn't fall for me too hard. And honestly, we're probably better off apart. Cause I don't think I can even feel my heart. You should know we were done from the start. We were done from the start. Yeah, we were done from the start. We were done from the start. We were done from the start. Catch your breath, catch your feet, cause I'll take the ground from under.
Well, it's day 3, it is Waxstock. We made the top 16. Here it is. Excuse me while I adjust the camera. All done, as much as can be done. So as you can see, we have some gloss now. Engine bay is as clean as I can actually get it. Big shout out to Danny from Caricature for lending me his bonnet stay for this. Let's have a walk around, show you what we've done. Take you inside. Got the old funky ST plates lighting up. These were all black as opposed to grey last week. That's what you'll have seen in the previous video. Done as much as we can in the boot. And into the other side, much the same. All the little details will focus, all the little details done. Door pockets all cleaned out. A little bit of dust blown in. It's going to be a day of chasing everything out all day. But yep, that is essentially the start of Waxstock Day 3, the actual show. So stay tuned guys, we'll show you what's here and we'll see what this year has to offer.
There's certain things that love can be, but I'm over you and I don't want to pretend. Forget all that's happened and lock it away. I don't give a fuck, cause I know I'm okay. This happens too often, and here we are again. I'm stuck, I feel nothing. The cycle never ends. But if I were you, I wouldn't fall for me too hard. And honestly, we're probably better off apart. Cause I don't think I can even feel my heart. You should know.
Time to go and find the little usual suspects and the nutcases, and here they are. Say hello guys. There's the man himself, the man, the myth, the legend. He's loving it.
We were done from the start. We were done from the start. Yeah, we were done from the start. We were done from the start. We were done from the start. Can't you see? It's over, baby. It's the way it has to be. And I think you need more than an answer tonight.
Plenty of traders here as ever. We're going to go visit our favourite one, Kim's Corner. All for charity. Plenty of products on there that have been tried a little bit, so they've still got plenty of life left in them, but it all goes to a good cause, so let's see what's there this year.
I love what it is, it could do a bit of splitter across the bit.
Aye. Some fantastic cars in the Arrive and Shine. We are full down there. We have more down there. We've got a baldy head here. He tried to duck. He knew I was going to get him anyway. Top 16 where I'm parked. It's just over there. More traders all the way over the back. And Liam has just pointed out, because he is a Vauxhall man, he is all over this. And the guy is a hero. He is still cleaning. Full credit to him.
How long can you walk around without knowing? How long will it take till your faith is broken? Tell me, how long will you wait for the door to open? Well, I know we never really know. So hear me out. If you're running out of love, then I can fill you up. And when it gets too much, just hear me out. If you're lost in all the haze, well, I can clear the way. I know you do the same. Oh, oh, oh. The pain this heart is holding. What's wrong when the days we have are golden? Will you hold on while the world outside is frozen? Well, I know.
Alright, so the day's cracking on. Busy here as usual. Auto Bright are 300 people deep in their stand, so they are pulling out all the stops this year. Every brand has brought their A game. It's nice to see, it's really refreshing. We'll have another walk around, we'll see what's here, and we might even have a look outside if we get a minute. What a guy. I wouldn't want to be
You're really hot. Worth the wait. Don't worry about that.
We never really know, so hear me out. If you're out loving, I can feel you loving. When it gets too much, just hear me out. If you're lost in all the haze, well, I can clear the way. I know you do the same. So
And there he is, the man himself on the flex stand, hard at work.
What's up, bro?
Doing what he does best, educating people on the world that is detailing.
if time's all we have, why are you caught in a rush? 'Cause we were made to last. All that you are is enough. If time's all we have, why are you caught in a rush? We were made to last. All that you are is enough.
And that, guys, is Waxstock done. Don't know what video footage I've got, it's been a manic day. Sadly no trophies this year for the car. I had a feeling quality was really good this year. I'll get this edited and uploaded as quickly as I can. Thank you everybody for watching. We'll see you in the next one. It won't be a detailing show. Who knows what it'll be, I don't even know yet. Appreciate the support and we'll see you in the next one.